The neck is no longer a mystery. Instead of playing the chord progression in one spot, watch this. By stair-stepping up the neck, we create a sense of energy and movement interesting to the listener. This is how you stop being just a chord player to being a musician. Hey guys, this is Tim, and welcome to the final lesson in our series. Today we're putting it all together. I'm calling it our Masterclass of this 5-lesson series. Today we're not learning any additional chord shapes up the neck, but instead we're going to be connecting them together. We're going to take the grand tour of the fretboard and show you how to jump between these positions fluently. So let's have some fun. So go grab your guitar, let's pivot to the backing track, and we'll play through the chord progression of G, D, E minor, and C in each of these positions. We'll play through the track once together, and then I'll play through the second track without the guitar that you can practice on your own. Hey guys, when you get a chance, if you like this video, press that thumbs up button. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. So if you can play through the chord progressions from the nut to the 12th fret without stopping the backing track, congratulations, you've officially mastered your triads. So continue to practice these triads, and when you get a chance, video yourself playing this grand tour up the neck and tag me at Tim G. Edwards Music so we can celebrate together. So I'll catch you at the next video. God bless you.